What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video. As you can see guys, Bitcoin broke below the level of the green support right here, and as I told you on the previous video, it came all the way down to this green zone once more. Luckily we just tested the top of this green zone. We didn't came all the way down to the most important, the most critical point. And the good news is that we were rejected from this point already, and we are back above the level of the green support. In this video I'm also going to talk about the S&P 500, Ethereum and Matic. So if that sounds interesting to you, stick with me at the end of this video. And before we go to the charts, I need to show you my Telegram channel. If you're not subscribed to this Telegram channel, guys, it's time now. I am starting to post some trade alerts here, guys. As you can see, short opportunity. Polygon is at the level of an important support on the 15 minutes chart. If the support is going to be broken, 0.543 would be our target. Even showing to you a similar example that we had on Solana a few days ago. And some hours later, guys, as you can see right here, target hit. We came down perfectly to the level of the target that I was telling you. If you're not into this Telegram channel yet, you're losing some trade opportunities. The link is on the description of this video. And talking about trading, guys, of course sign up to Bybit, guys. The link is on the description of this video. It is my favorite exchange, very reliable one, and if you're searching for a new platform to trade, I definitely recommend you to use Bybit. And if you use my link on the description of this video, you can claim up to $30,000 bonus. And if you don't like KYC, I would recommend you then to use my second link on the description of this video and sign up to Bitflex. Coming back to Bitcoin, guys, we lost the level of the support, came all the way to the level of this green zone right here, and we had crazy volatility from this point. We had a huge leg to the upside, even retesting the 26k once more. It was actually a very volatile day comparing to the previous days, and the same price action happened actually on Ethereum as well, on Nada Cardano and on Solana's chart. Yes, they went down to retest the previous low and exploded to the upside, found some resistance and exploded back to the downside. The price action here is a mess, guys, but I am starting to believe that we are going to break this to the upside. Why? Because if we pay attention on all this movement right here on the daily time frame, we are having bullish divergence. If we pay attention only at this place right here, we are having bullish divergence as well on the 4-hour time frame from this point to this point. Low, higher low, low, lower low. So breaking the level of this resistance here would probably trigger some bullish movement for Bitcoin. But before having this breakout to the upside, guys, we probably are going to be some more time trapped in between this both support and resistance right here before we finally break either to the upside or to the downside. The S&P 500, guys, I told you yesterday that we were hanging by a thread right here. Exactly as I said, we can see that we had this huge movement to the downside, and we came down perfectly to the level of the support that I was telling you on the previous video that I uploaded. So now what I am seeing here on the S&P 500 5 minutes chart, you can see that we have a inverted head and shoulders formation. You know already, if we break above the level of this resistance right here and find support at this level, the target for this head and shoulders is all the way up to 4,490, as you can see. And of course there is also a high chance of coming all the way up to the level of the previous support zone right here, the previous support level, to retest it as a new resistance. And if this small head and shoulders here is not going to play out and we are going to keep going to the downside, guys, the next level of support that I would tell you would be all the way down to this level right here. 4,416. Of course that we are also going to have some support here at this level at 4,430-35, but the most important one is going to be all the way down to this level. Ethereum's price actions is actually similar to Bitcoin's, but actually I would say that it is worse than Bitcoin, guys. Why? Because the wick of this failed bullish candle here is bigger. With this movement right here, the market stopped out all of the people that were shorting from the level of this resistance right here, placing the stop loss above the candles. So basically everyone that is shorting Ethereum after this leg to the downside right here was stopped out. While on Bitcoin, yes, we also had a huge wick to the upside, but we didn't stop out. Who was shorting from this point with the stop loss here, who is shorting from this point with the stop loss here. This movement just stopped out who is shorting from this point with the stop loss here. So we stopped out more short positions on Ethereum than on Bitcoin. And usually when the market do this type of movement, these spikes right here, just to stop people out of their position and grab this liquidity, usually the market goes to the opposite side. Usually. I'm not saying that it's going to happen this time this way, but usually it happens this way. And the last one, guys, Polygon. I just wanted to show this short position here that I was telling you on my Telegram channel. Very simple trade. We broke down from the pattern, we retested it as a resistance, and we went all the way down to the target, giving to you approximately 2.14%. And if you're using some leverage, you know that 2.14% could make you a lot of money. If you don't want to lose the next opportunity, guys, sign up to my Telegram channel and also sign up to Bybit. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for being here with me until the end. If you like this content, don't forget to smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused!